Hello everybody, Stockmaster Talk here from GoldMedalPennyStocks.com doing a stock chart video analysis of SLRW. That's the Solar Brook Water and Power Corporation. Last trading day was Friday, June 13th. We saw previous close of 0005. We closed up last at the same 0005, giving us a 0% difference on a volume of 63,038,664 shares. SLRW's got a lot of really bullish looking indicators here, and I'm pretty excited about where this is going. So I want to go through these indicators with you and kind of just point out some of the things that are jumping out at me. First up on our chart here is the 14-day RSI. It's at 59.69. Great place to be. Between the 70 and the 50s considered the buy region or the strong bullish region here. I'm pretty excited about that. We are also fresh into this area. We just crossed over this 50 line not too long ago, and it's looking like it's going to continue to move up in my opinion, especially once you come down here to the daily charts. Got some great crossovers going on right now. Currently we got our 12-day EMA. It should be a 13-day EMA, but it's actually pretty similar there. So the 12-day EMA just crossed over not only the 26, but also the 50-day moving average, which is a strong bullish crossover there. Pretty excited about that. We are still trading off of this bullish cross over here. This was our golden cross, the 50 cross over the 200-day. We've been moving up since then. Pretty excited to see our 26-day EMA moving up to cross over that 50 line as well. Volume's been on the rise for the last month. That's always a good thing to see too. And we also have been bouncing off of this 0004 as our support here at 5. It's acting as our resistance. Come Monday, I'd like to see us break out of that. It doesn't look like it's going to be too hard. Volume accumulation is definitely up, and our MACD line's looking very bullish as well. Not only did we bounce above our signal line, we also closed above our zero line as well. Everything's looking strong here. Pretty excited about that. The 15-day tricks is looking really good as well. I'm always happy to see the tricks line crossing over the signal line, which we did just recently, and continuing to move up towards that zero line is always a good thing to see. If you're into more of a longer term analysis here, the 30-day tricks is also looking very bullish as we begin to come back up. You can see it's tipped up a little bit here. We have leveled out and starting to gain some strength on that as well. Not too far away from the signal line. Should see a nice crossover here over the next couple days. Slow stochastic looking pretty good. It's at 88.89, crossed over the its signal line, my apologies, and the 50 line before going up past that 80 line as well. So I'm very good, very happy to see that as well. You can see we had our low down here, followed by this low up here. We've been moving upwards on our lows here. That's the definition of an uptrend. Always a good thing to see. CCI looking strong. It's 179.14, very bullish as well. We are coming down a little bit, which is okay. That's a little bit of a consolidation there, which is something that we need to do. Hope to see a nice bounce off of this previously like we did here, and continue to see that move up there. So down here on our stochastic RSI, we got a 14-day as our moving average here, kind of level things out. It's a very volatile indicator to begin with. So to see this 14-day moving average starting to trend up pretty quickly towards that 0.5 has me very excited. And we are at 0.881 for the stochastic RSI itself, so keep your eyes on that. Checking money flow looking really strong here. I'm still moving upwards. You can see that we are still trending up like that. And this is letting us know that we're trading in a very strong market right now, which you'll see is very true down once we get down to our accumulation. ADX line looking very good as well. ADX line itself is on the rise. It's at 20.76. We're not quite considered relevant yet, but the positive DI is still above the negative DI, and it should hold that for quite some time. Looking pretty good there. The PVO also looking good. It's at 27.38 and continuing to climb. Crossed over the zero line as well as its signal line not too long ago. And we're getting down here to the good parts. Money flow index looking strong. It's at 71.77 and continuing to play around in this strong buy region between that 80 and 50 on the MFI is also a really good thing to see. Accumulation, this is where I'm very excited right here. You can see that we bottomed out back at the end of February. We've been accumulating ever since then. We saw this massive spike on Friday. Let us know we got a lot of new investors with some money that they want to make more of. So getting in at the prices that we got in at on Friday and previously, love to see this thing start to move up and really show us what it's got. So SLRW looking very strong. All of our indicators are looking very bullish. Everything's starting to trend up. We got some great crossovers on our tricks line as well as our MACD and our moving averages on our daily charts as well. So keep your eyes on this one. Put it on your radars. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to take a look at them, answer any questions you might have. And if you want some more information, head on over to our website, www.GoldMedalPennyStocks.com. Punch in your email address. We'll be happy to send you more information about SLRW and any of the other plays that we might stumble across. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Have a great weekend, and best of luck on this come Monday.